Morning dear students. So yesterday I have told you about conservation of forest. Today we are going to study about wildlife in India. All animals, birds and insects that live in their natural habitat or the wild are the wildlife, means they are known as a wildlife. India has large variety of wildlife. In Indian forest many types of animals you will find, such as elephant, rhinos, tigers, deers and so on. Animals such as leopards, tigers, bears, wild boars and wild buffaloes live in the deciduous forest, and a large variety of fish, water birds and reptiles are found in the India's river and lakes. India is famous for its Asiatic lions found in the Gir forest in Gujarat. They are very fast, बहुत तेज भागते हैं. These tigers have this speciality. The famous Royal Bengal tiger is found in the Sundarbans in the West Bengal. The largest number of one-horned rhinos in the world can be found in Kaziranga National Park, that is in Assam. So how we can conserve these? We have to conserve wildlife, we have to conserve forest. If we will not conserve forest, conservation of wildlife is not possible. So many steps have been taken to conserve forest. Same in relating to that, conservation of wildlife is also important. So many steps have been taken to conserve wildlife also. Deforestation is destroying the natural habitat of animals. Human beings hunt, kill animals for their skin, fur, horn and tusk. इन सब चीज़ों के लिए वो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स की हंटिंग करते हैं, तो हंटिंग भी बैन हो गई. और इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा था, हंटिंग हो रही थी एनिमल्स की, जिससे वो एक्सटिंक्ट होते जा रहे थे, मीन्स गायब होते जा रहे थे. बहुत वैरायटी ऑफ एनिमल्स, बहुत वैरायटी ऑफ स्मॉल दीज रेप्टाइल्स, इनकी भी वैरायटी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सटिंक्ट हो गई थी. और सम केम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ endangered animals. So what happened, nowadays hunting has been made illegal, but still animals are not safe from poachers. मीन्स अभी भी शिकारियों से एनिमल्स सेफ नहीं है, वो कैसे भी करके हंटिंग कर ही लेते हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ, द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ डिक्लेयर्ड मैनी एरियाज एंड फॉरेस्ट एज प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज. मीन्स बहुत सारे जो पहले से फॉरेस्ट एरियाज थे जहाँ पे वाइल्ड लाइफ, बहुत वेराइटी ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ है, बहुत लार्ज फॉरेस्ट हैं, उनको अब प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज़ बना दिया गया. मीन्स अब वो ऐसे सेफ़ एरियाज़ में के अंडर में आ गए. गवर्नमेंट ने उन्हें प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज़ बना दिया कि अगर उसमें जाके कोई हंटिंग करेगा, कोई फॉरेस्ट में से ट्री कट करेगा, देन इट इज़ एन इलीगल वर्क एंड द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन विल बी पनिश्ड. द कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज और किलिंग एनिमल्स इज़ एन इलीगल. सो सम वेल नोन नेशनल पार्क्स, कुछ नेशनल पार्क बना दिए गए, कुछ सेंचुरीज आर कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क इन उत्तराखंड, जलदापरा नेशनल पार्क इन वेस्ट बंगाल, काजीरंगा इन असम, पेरियर नेशनल पार्क इन टाइगर रिजर्व इन केरला. It is national park also and tiger reserve both, and Sariska in Rajasthan. Clear? So I think all the concepts have been clear. See the concept, the different types of forest, all types of forests I have told you. This one is clear. Forests are useful to us in many ways. I have told you many uses of forest. India has large variety of wildlife. Yes, many wildlife have become wild animals have become extinct because of illegal hunting and clearing, of course. This also I have explained you just now. The government of India has marked many forests and as reserve forests, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect the forest and wildlife in India. This is also clear. Many sanctuaries and many national parks, many reserve forests have been made by the government to protect wildlife and forests in India. So chapter is clear. Tomorrow you will do remaining exercise. Now on Monday you will do the remaining exercise, and after that question answer. If anything is not clear, please ask, don't hesitate. Thank you.